We have a new car, so we need to make a cover for this. It easily gets very dusty. Yeah. So this is a DIY car cover. This will cost me around $20. So I procured a different fabric. I'll show you. So this is a fabric. It is a what we call silver back lining, which makes it waterproof. So it's a bit more expensive than the previous one I made, like this one here. So this is not really waterproof. It's just good for dust. But this one is waterproof. Although if you put your car outside, this will not last very long. It should last less than a year. But since we are under shade, this should last very long. I have some old car cover. One of them is here. This is more than 4 years old and it's still okay. So I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna do with this Maxus D60. I chose two colors. This one is green. The one is yellow. All right. So the other one, this is what I have done. I wrap it all around like this. Yan. And then we folded it there. Yan. Tapos this one will drape just up to the hood like that. Yan. At least it's easier that way instead of this going all the way down. And yan. And just like that. So right there. And it will culminate right here. And this one will drape all the way down. And I'll cut it right over there. Yeah. Looks so good so far. Right, now there it is. I have now secured them. So all I need to do now is to sew them by hand. Yan. Okay. So I've cut them all with some allowance at the bottom. It's a good thing my wife has this very long needle. Hope you can see it. Yes, and soon. And so with the help of I don't know what you call this again in English. Perdible in Filipino. Yeah. So more to go. So this is just temporary. Yeah. So you need a very long needle. And so once in a while, you lock one place.
Then cut it after.
And like that. Tapos, continue doing. So that when you sew permanently in a sewing machine, it doesn't run away.
Such a
Looking for a girlfriend. You can do the safety pin, but sometimes
it's better.
it's best this way. So this is the temporary. Yeah. Oh no. See, it's running away. Yeah. So yeah, that's how to do it. And I'll do the rest.
Okay.
Go. And almost halfway. Yeah. Very importantly, when you sew there, you need to secure it with a safety pin here, so that because you're pulling it on the other end. So yeah, getting there. And the temporary stitch is complete. Right up to here. And so all that needs to be done is to use the sewing machine. This is our trusty sewing machine. Hi guys! So this is actually the easiest part. Because do I look like a pro?
Kinda.
Kinda not. So this is not a permanent stitch. It doesn't have to be a line. at that. Look at
So
that.
long. Till there?
Up to there.
Oh no. Okay.
It's still showing.
Okay.
Ah, okay. Yay, it's done. Now I'm gonna put it. And again, this is the final product. And it's almost aligned. Yeah. So I find it really easy to manually stitch it first, and then do the final in the sewing machine rather than just using safety pins and then doing it there, because sometimes they get misaligned, as I mentioned earlier in the video. So I'm quite happy with the results and also the quality of this fabric. It's called Tafetta with silver back lining. So the silver back lining refers to this. Yeah. So this is the same material used in umbrella and tent. So yeah, hope that helps you guys. Thank you.